Welcome to another episode of Rambling with Phil. Today I'm going to try to repair this cracked screen on this iPhone 7. First thing you want to do is make sure that the power is off, so I've already done that. Next thing you want to do is get the protective case off of here so you can actually get to the phone. Try not to break the phone when you're doing it. Okay. Now I did purchase a new screen on Amazon. It's about $25 and it does come with a toolkit. It has a convenient piece of tape here so when you put it on the counter it makes it hard to pick up. So be thoughtful of that. You may want to empty all this stuff out first. It's supposed to be all the tools that you need. So I guess we'll see if that's true or not. Be careful opening up the package so that you don't break your new screen. I'm not really sure what this is. Looks like some kind of protector thing and it was put in there funny so it's bent. So this appears to be the new screen. It does come with a lot of the items already. It's missing the home button and I believe it's missing the camera up here. So you're going to need to take those things from your old phone. So there are two screws at the bottom here. Let's put it in here for safekeeping. You don't want to push too hard or spin this thing and damage the head, and then you won't be able to put this back in. So you want to be kind of gentle here. You want to get in between here. Alright, we're going to try using this pick. Well, there is the fixed screen. Success. I was successful in getting it fixed. All on my own. By taking it to One Stop Mobile. So we're just leaving One Stop Mobile. We were successful in fixing the glass screen. And yes, I am talking more slowly than normal because I am driving and I'm trying not to crash. But we were successful in getting the glass screen fixed. So I would definitely recommend One Stop Mobile to anybody who needs their glass screen fixed. We fixed an iPhone 7. Oh, road's a little bumpy. We fixed an iPhone 7. Road's still bumpy. We fixed an iPhone 7 and it costs us $38 including tax. One thing you should know, this road is very bumpy. Okay, so one thing you should know, there is a $2 charge for using a credit card. So if you don't want to pay the extra $2 and you don't want to pay $38, make sure you bring cash. So thanks for watching another episode of Rambling with Phil. Hope you enjoyed watching my how-to video of how to fix or replace an iPhone screen all by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bumpy road.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Rambling with Phil. Don't forget to like, because I'm sure you're going to like this video.